Teleportation is impossible. Objects cannot be made invisible. Machines will never become truly intelligent. How many times have you heard people say things like this? However, history holds a plethora of examples that illustrate the hazards of scientific prophecy. Let's have a look at some of them. When the Paris exhibition closes, electric light will close with it, and no more will be heard of it. By Erasmus Wilson, Oxford University professor, 1878. A rocket will never be able to leave the Earth's atmosphere. The New York Times, 1920.
Well-informed people know it is impossible to transmit the voice over wires, and that were it possible to do so, the thing would be of no practical value. Man will not fly for 50 years.
2 years later.
Science fiction authors have often been far more visionary in their views of the world. For example, Fritz Lang's Metropolis, 1927, shows us a clunky contraption which is undoubtedly a videophone. In real life, the first two-way videophone was demonstrated surprisingly early, in 1930s. In 2020, video calls and video conferencing became part of almost everyone's life due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
Invisibility, a common plot device in literature, films and video games, may soon also be a reality. Scientists have already developed devices that cause objects to be partially or wholly invisible to parts of the electromagnetic spectrum. Although there is still room for improvement in this direction, just consider how far the computer has come in the span of a generation.
This is why it is probably worth remembering Clarke's first law, which says, when a distinguished but elderly scientist states that something is possible, he is almost certainly right. When he states that something is impossible, he is very probably wrong.
Not the slightest indication that nuclear energy will ever be obtainable. It would mean that the atom would have to be shattered at will.